Hello and welcome to Smart Architectural Programming. Today, we're going to build a simple yet functional to-do list app. This app will allow you to add, edit, and delete tasks. We'll go through the entire process step by step, with detailed explanations of the code. Let's get started. First, we'll set up our project. We'll be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for this app. Let's create our initial files, index.html, styles.css, and script.js. Let's start with the HTML structure. In our HTML, we have a basic structure with a container for our to-do list. We have an input field for adding tasks, a button to add the tasks, and an unordered list to display the tasks. Next, let's add some styling to make our app look nice. Our CSS styles the body, container, input group, buttons, and task list to make the app visually appealing. Now, let's move on to the JavaScript. This is where the functionality comes in. We'll start by selecting our elements and adding event listeners. In our JavaScript, we start by selecting the necessary elements, the input field, the add button, and the task list. We then add an event listener to the add button, which triggers the add task function when clicked. The add task function creates a new list item, li, appends the task text, and adds edit and delete buttons. Each button has its own event listener, edit task for editing and delete task for removing the task. The edit task function prompts the user to enter a new task text, which replaces the existing text if provided. The delete task function simply removes the task from the list. Now, let's see our to-do list app in action. As you can see, we can add new tasks, edit existing ones, and delete them as needed. This simple yet effective app can be a great starting point for more complex projects. That's it for today's tutorial on building a to-do list app with smart architectural programming. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you next time.